What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another analysis on Matic. If you're new to the channel, every day we go over the daily price action on Matic, FTM, most recently Chainlink. And if you were to leave in the comment section a pair that you would like me to go over, I would go over that for you guys as well. Quick disclaimer, this is not investment advice. This is just educational purposes. Do you own research? Do you own analysis? This is just my take on what price is telling me. With that out of the way, the daily candle, right? Currently it's 7:34. Daily candle just closed at 7 o'clock, right? And immediately what I'm seeing is price failed to break and close above. Well, price failed to close above this resistance right here. Okay, price tried to close, price actually did break. That's why we see the wick above the resistance, but it failed to close above. And bears came in and drive it all the way down while simultaneously engulfing all the bullish candles to the left, right? So right now, immediately I'm seeing bearish pressure or bearish momentum on Matic, right? And if we look to the left, there is a lot of clean traffic right here. There's nothing impeding this bearish momentum from coming down to this support right here, or at least to the trend line right here. Okay, that's what the daily is telling me. Right now, if we go to the lower time frame, let's jump to the 4-hour. Let's zoom in and see what's happening on there. Okay, so the 4-hour is showing me that price is at this minor support, or basically it's at, reason why I say it's minor support is because it's where it just has one bounce from this level. Okay, it would be major support if we had multiple touches from this level when price respected it on multiple occasions. But right now it just bounced from here once, which means two things, right? Which means it's support nonetheless, so price could still bounce from here once again and continue its ascent, right? But with the bearish momentum on the daily, that nice bearish close on the daily, and this being a minor support, I'm leaning more on the side that this support is going to break and it's going to further, or at least retrace a bit more down to this support down here, and then possibly continue its ascent. Okay, if it doesn't happen, don't shoot me, it's just what I see. Okay, and to be fair, if price were to come down here, it would, as you can see, it would form this bullish pattern called a double bottom, which usually indicates bullish movement, right? But what I would do if I were to trade Matic right now is to wait and see what's happening, because immediately on the 4-hour, it looks as though we could possibly start consolidating or begin sideways movement, right? And one of the major killers to a trend trader is sideways movement. Personally, I'm telling you from experience. Okay, so personally, I would wait. If I was to take a trade to the downside, aka if I was looking for shorts, I would wait for the successful break of this support right here and some sort of retest, and then enter to the downside right here, putting my stop loss somewhere above the most recent swing high, and it's my first take profit would be to this support level right here. Now if price doesn't do that and it breaks above this level here, then to get in a buy, I would wait for some sort of retest of the broken resistance, turn support, some sort of reset, show me that price has found support, and then enter there for the buys to the upside, which would be some sort of move, wherever price found support, and then this would be my first TP profit, right? So let's say price would have found support right there, my stop loss would have gone somewhere like that, right? Or if it was wherever it finds support, whether that's like in here, you know, that's what I would do personally. So yeah, that's my analysis on Matic. See you guys tomorrow.